Thinking about starting your very own barbecue business? Well, you've come to the right place. Starting a barbecue business can be an exciting and profitable venture if done correctly. First things first, you'll need a solid business plan that outlines your goals, target market, and financial projections. Next, finding a suitable location for your barbecue is crucial. Look for an area with high foot traffic and ample parking. It's important to obtain all the necessary permits and licenses to legally operate your barbecue business. Now, let's talk about the menu. Make sure to offer a variety of traditional and popular grilled meat options. Investing in quality equipment, like a braai stand, charcoal, and cooking utensils, is essential for your barbecue. From 5,000 to 150,000 Rand you should be able to get started with your barbecue business. Braai stands costs from 299 to 1,000 Rand online on Takealot, Facebook Marketplace and Gumtree. Don't forget to source high-quality meat cuts from trusted suppliers. This will ensure customer satisfaction. Marketing your barbecue is key. Use social media platforms, local advertising, and word of mouth to spread the word. Building a strong and loyal customer base is crucial, so make sure to offer excellent customer service and a memorable experience. Consider partnering with other local businesses or hosting events to attract more customers and increase your visibility. Remember, starting a barbecue business requires hard work, commitment, and a passion for delicious grilled meat. Learn from successful barbecue entrepreneurs and adapt your business strategy accordingly to stay ahead of the competition. Stay up to date with food trends and continuously improve your menu to satisfy the changing tastes and preferences of your customers. Developing a unique selling proposition, like offering specialty sauces or marinades, can set your barbecue apart from others. Don't overlook the importance of proper hygiene and food safety practices. Keep your workspace clean and follow health regulations. Manage your finances wisely, keep track of your expenses, and price your meals competitively to ensure profitability. Invest in staff training and ensure your employees are knowledgeable, friendly, and efficient in serving customers. Listen to customer feedback and make improvements based on their suggestions to continuously enhance your offerings. Establishing partnerships with local farmers or suppliers can ensure a steady supply of fresh ingredients for your barbecue. Monitor your competition closely, stay ahead by offering unique dishes or experiences that they don't provide. Stay true to your brand's identity and maintain consistency in your food quality, service, and overall customer experience. Above all, believe in yourself and the potential success of your barbecue business. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your goals. So, what are you waiting for? Get started on your barbecue venture and embark on a delicious and rewarding journey.